trading with Liquid Levy. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Oh, why can't I copy that? That's unbelievable. That's so stupid. All right, let's see if we get a data candle. I don't think we will get much. Tomorrow we'll get, I think, some data, and then Friday. Swept buy side, that's good. Let's see if I can sweep a little more sell side. $30-point candle, it's really not that much. We needed some sell side to be swept. It just didn't do anything of significance. If it had taken out, to here, that'd be something. If it took out to here, it'd really be something because the Asian London low. Yeah, we'll see. I don't think that's worth trading. Not like the one set up for life. We'll have to watch. We definitely don't trade in the range of a data candle though. So if anyone's trying to trade right now, no, you don't do that because it might just bounce around in here for a second, or it's going to take out the buy side. Then we could potentially, the one setup for life is to target the sell side of the data candle. I don't love it because it didn't take out again enough significant sell side. There could be this remaining though on the sell side, so that could be a play. The reversal up here, short. We're going to be targeting London low here. Then we might come back up bullish. I don't know. We'll see. Not an exciting start. That's okay. It looks. I think really that the push is bearish still a little bit. I think higher time frame. I don't think we took enough sell side here. I think the 4 hour needs to come down and dip past here at least 460, or we have to take out the previous day low at 421. That's the question. What is going on with the cursor? Yeah, 421. All right, so ES swept the data side, sell side, but not all of the sell side still yet again. So still in a holding pattern. Still kind of just chilling. We're gonna see what the fuck. This closed way under that gap. No other gaps. No gaps on the 15. We filled this one. We could just be like kind of consolidating a bit. Might be one of those shitty mornings awaiting FOMC. We'll see what happens with market open, but yeah, this whole Jerome Powell speaking at 2:30. I'll be live for that. We'll watch that. But we're not going to trade during it from 2 to like 3, 3:15. We'll see whenever Powell stops talking, whenever FOMC is done, the press conference. Then we can trade again. But I was really hoping for a pre-market trade. Hopefully we can still get something. It's still showing a little bit, I don't want to say it, but like a little bit bullish because of these wicks. It's been fighting to come down, but we're still kind of pressing on. And we had this inversion down here with that major wick sweeping sell side liquidity. And both of those wicks on that time did it, swept all that nice sell side. In fact, ES swept a lot more. There was a bullish SMT. And we didn't really take any IRL buy side yet, not even that wick there. So I think there's a fight right now, and we're just kind of stuck in some chop, like a little holding pattern. We'll see if we can break through this. That'll kind of tell us. Where's there a bullet bearish fair value gap over here? Not that one. Like this one. This one would tell us if we're very bullish. Yeah, that's pretty good. What's that? 542. 542. Okay, better. So now we have that 15-minute gap marked out. We'll see if price can come up and dip into it, turn down or close over to go more for buy side liquidity. Potentially, I thought my least likely outcome all-time high. We shall see. Very strange, very strange. So NQ never swept the data wick low. ES did. So there's a chance we keep coming up. But there's an inversion here. So there's a chance that we come all the way back down because NQ wants that. And this was a manipulation leg. And we need to come down and actually sweep sell side of the data. Or we got to come up and take the buy side here. Close over here on the 3. That's good. That's a close over on the 5. Should push. Should push. That's not a swing low. It doesn't look so good. Oh, looking a little bearish, but we're still in the range. playing with my new monitor. I got 8 charts now. Holy shit! There's so much data. My eyeballs are going nuts. Oh my god. Oh. I love it. I love it. NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon. Okay. So let's do. I almost feel like you want to go short after this, and it could deliver out here out of this volume imbalance. See, there's a gap here in these bodies. I feel like come up, we take it, and then we continue bearish for a little bit. You can scalp it down to the sell side. We'll see. Still waiting. Still waiting. Potentially B-lock, potentially. I'm not sure yet. I'm still kind of waiting. There's this major gap here. 15-minute gap. It actually stacks up really nicely with the hourly. So if we could creep into here, we could see a really nice reversal potential. Also, that gap exists right here. Same thing for ES. It just seems like we're kind of on a bleed off from being overbought. We really pumped for like what fucking reason, I don't know. And then we've just been a little bit of a bleed off, just lower highs and lower lows. So if anything, I think we might get a candle that jumps up, grabs that liquidity, and we look for a short. We look for the reversal A plus setup right here for the short. Okay. I don't really see like any turtle soup plays unless it dumps and then we take out like these lows, Asia London low, go for the long out of this fair value gap right here, or we take out the low here. That's a stretch. Previous day low. I did talk about it, but I don't know. All right, let's do a fib. It's also a 5 minute. Yeah, I think that is a magnet. That is a nice liquidity pool. Let me tell you. Up there. I don't know if we'll get it, but that if price gets in there, it's definitely going to react a little bearishly. You see this bullshit? This is why we don't trade in a data range, because it doesn't go anywhere. It's going up, it's accumulating, it's going down, it's hitting the bullish fair value gap, it's stalling, it's still going down. It's like it'll bounce somewhere else in this fair value gap before it hits sell side. I mean, it's just stupid. Oh, I have to do. Dude. All right, price is starting to dump down to the sell side of the data wick. Oh my goodness. Exactly. Oh, yeah. Why didn't I do that earlier? Why didn't I do that earlier? Fucking up my neck. All right, we swept. We swept. I'm still gonna wait. I want London Asia lows to get tapped, to get swept here. Yeah, you could go short. You could. I think price the draw on liquidity or the DOL is at least London low here. This wick, such a significant wick, and then potentially we take this out, we deliver here. So I'm gonna mark that off. Oof. Back check that real quick. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's what we don't have to sweep all of this necessarily. I think we just need to get past all of this. If it wants to go bearish, that's the thing. Who knows what the fuck this wants to do. It could snap up now. We have a bullish SMT on the 5 minute, and that's significant. Whoa. Whoa. That's a swing. Hold the fuck on. That's a, yeah, guys, we'll take this. We will take this if this closes over. The next liquidity pool is up there. Yep.
Order filled.
We swept that. Oh, it's a really tight stop loss too. Let's see if we can pump up here a little bit more. They both inversed. It just dipped into that 2 minute imbalance. Is that all it needs to force ourselves down further? See, sometimes that's how quick a trade can be. We did sweep the data low. We swept all the sell side here. It's enough. We don't necessarily have to come down there. Although Asia London lows are big liquidity pools. That's why this is a 10-point stop. It's a nothing. And I think that's your break even. Come on. We got to swing low. We did. No matter what you want to say, that's a swing low. That was a higher wick, and that was a higher wick. So mechanically, I love it. I love the liquidity swept. It wasn't ES doing the sell side sweep, but NQ did. Bullish SMT. Yeah, I never use limit orders to get in this strategy unless you want to play a retracement. So when you got this close over, if you wanted to play like this, that a limit order here, that 50% ish retracement on the gap, you can. Problem is, if it's a really good trade, momentum is just going to take it off and you're not going to get in. You're not going to get filled. So I take the market, in this case for the long, the market buy. So I'm hovering over the market buy button and I click on it right when the timer reaches 0 on the time that I want that IFVG to close over the FVG, right? For this setup. That's our golden setup. This is reversed. So imagine it down here. We had that dip, we had a swing low, we had a fair value gap inverse the IFVG. It's not the biggest IFVG and most significant, so it may come up and then continue down, but it'll be like a break-even trade. So, right now we had an order block, bullish order block. That's this red candle. You have the bread of this green candle and this green candle. And your peanut butter here is the red. the close of the second candle here was over the open. See how we just completely engulfed this candle? So that's that bullish order block. This right here was meant to just take out some people who got in, you know, who emotionally wanted to come out. Now this actually may come down and sweep into here and continue if we're bullish, and it wants to do more retracement. Notice how there's still gap here. It could get filled, continue up. It could just continue up and then smack back down after my break even. You have to be real mechanical, real robotic with the stop loss when it gets to break even. We're not there yet on the break even. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. All right. 19 minutes to open. 19 minutes. Turn all that shit off. See, it needed to bounce into that bullish gap, guys. It just needed to do that before it fucking pumped all the way up. Simple, easy. I'm not worried. I was never worried. Oh, for those just joining, I see there's a couple extra people. We're in the long. We took the 1 minute here. We swept the data, which was bullshit sell side sweep, the data low and all this low, creating a bullish SMT with NQ sweeping all of sell side. Notice ES did not. So we are in this long. It's probably going to be a break even trade. I think the draw on liquidity is bearish, but we have a fair value gap. Where the fuck is it? Way up here. It's on the 15, the 1 hour, and even the 5. So I think price wants to inch up. What was that? Ah, that was a good thing. Price wants to inch up. That was break even, so I have to move stop to break even. I actually have to wait for the next liquidity pool. The fill was garbage, and we're still pre-market, so we're not moving anywhere. It's like 3.5 points above my fill. So let's get into premium. The white line is the 50% line. Let's get above this wick here at 48650. 48650. All right, we'll just keep an eye on this. But yeah, welcome. Good morning. We got Pain in the house. We got Vision. We got everybody. B-Doc. Some of your names are abbreviated. I don't know what I did in my settings to do that, but like some of you just says E period 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 B period period. That's not your name. I don't know how I changed that to show the full name. I don't get it. I don't know why it does that. 15 minutes to market open. We're acting bullishly. It's working. It's working, folks. Yeah, I guess the other aiming point, if you want to be extremely conservative because it wasn't hit yet on either, is the data buy side would be the target. So 505, 506 for NQ and 64, 16 and a half on ES. All right, so that's break even on this trade. Excellent. Don't you come down now, you bitch. Let's get, yeah, do it. I'm watching ES right now. I want to close over this guy. Yeah. Oh yeah. See how it goes. We got green is good. We want that. We see that green square. Oh yeah. Pumping now. We're fucking pumping. I would say that the data high is a really good place to trim, and then we could see where we go from there. I really think that a strong liquidity pool. Still believe that is this fair value gap in here. What happens in there is going to stay in there. We don't know, but I think price could get up into this area. It's a stretch. We need to see some more bullish reactions, though. We need to see more bullish reactions. Let me check the. Oh, yeah, that one's not doing. That's still a little loss. I took an hourly inverse from last night. I took this one, but I took it late because I was out driving and washing my fucking car. So I got it filled here at 9-1. I got filled here. Really shitty, but I would have, after seeing this, guys, if you saw this at 6 p.m., you could have taken this. It's not beautiful. Again, this should have been the wick, the swing low, but it still is a really nice inversion. Notice how it just cooked. You would have had to be strict with the break even. You would have had to keep break even, stop loss down here, because it would have been a break even trade if you were taking internal hourly resting liquidity on the buy side, right? So notice how price had to get all the way past here. So you would have had to have this as your break even, or the true next liquidity pool of bearish fair value gap, that for last night's long. Otherwise, this is still looking good. It's the 5. This is the 5. We just have to close over. Over. There's only 40 seconds left. Come on. Come on. Come. Yeah. Do it. Yes. Yes. No. Sometimes it helps if you blow on it. Just a little air. See? Well, works every time. Oh, the magnet. I'm an idiot. It's coming. Now it's really gonna fucking cook. This thing, guys, if you have TradingView, use the magnet. It works. There's some power to it. Oh, wait, hang on. I've only had to do this a couple of times. Bring out the second magnet. And you just want them. Yeah, we'll make them a little small. They don't have to be too crazy. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Maybe we get like a formation, like a diamond formation here. We get another guy coming in here. He's like, whoa, hey, who called me in for the airstrike? All right. Oh, yep. All right. And there they are. The triple magnet. Fuck. That's crazy. That is crazy. It's going to work. It's going to work. Oh, hang on. I got to get my... I'm not crazy like this. I swear to God, I've had this since I was probably like 10 years old. I found it in like a box when I was moving, but I have one crystal. We'll see if it works. Oh shit, price is absolutely pumping now. It's working. See? The crystal, the magnets. It's all you need. Just one crystal. You don't have to go overboard. Oh my goodness. What's going on? It's going to hit the stop. It's going to hit the stop. Oh no. Yeah, that's fine. Think we want lower. Well, there's no gap there. We're definitely taking out my stop loss. Might break even. Really strange if we just kept going. Would be weird. Bye bye. Bye bye. Do it. Don't tease me. Don't go any higher. Just thank you. Just go take me out. Son of a bitch. What's up, Samson? Are you going to be muted today? Yeah, no worries, bro. No worries. Welcome. We got a little data candle, 8:30. We did take this long. It's about to hit the stop. Break even. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Stop filled.
Stop. Filled. All right. The question is, where do we go? Does it continue? It might. It might. I love this liquidity pull up here, either as a target or a place to reverse. I think at this point now we want to come down and take out London low. Yeah, probably not just Asia, London low, and then deliver here a bit that bullish fair value gap. That's the other. That's the other play that we'll try to take. 59. $59. 23 459. Is that what you mean, Vision? 23. We're targeting that for. Oh, you bitch. It's fine. If it continues to go up, then it might react off the data high wick. If it keeps going, then we can look for the reversal at that fair value gap up above that was marked out. I think we're still like very high time frame on the 4 hour. It looks like we're still dumping like slowly. It's like a bleed off of an overbought market. I think we see temp buying for a downside. Yeah, data highs are probably the target. Let's see here. Three. Man, there was no way to stay in that trade. That was break even. We went into two different liquidity pools. I let it go up to here. You know? The only thing would have been, yeah, getting in between on the 30-second. You just don't do that. So it's not. That's not valid. Whoa. Glad we moved stop to break even. Just saying. I'm glad we did that. Didn't take London low. Didn't take London low. We got 3 points. 3 points left from the low to London low. ES has a bit further. Kind of just waiting for our waiting for one of those levels. So it looks like we're going to sell side. We'll wait for London low. Maybe a little more. I like that bullish fair value gap just below London low. Going for London low. What do you know? Taken. Whoa. Oh my goodness. All right, it's into that other fair value gap. Holy titties. Holy shitsko. Holy shitskis. I knew it was going to be a bleed off. Higher time frame was showing it. So I think we come down and take that, or we're going to react right off of this. Oh. Didn't close over. Wow, this is some wild shit. Still just dipped into it. See that? Just dipped into it, took the lows. Yes, left. Equal lows. Oh my God. Oh, it's happening too fast. I would have gotten into that buy. That's gonna fucking target what are you Oh, there she goes. Jesus. It did tap into that. Yeah, it was perfect. It's exactly what the long I would have taken. It just happened so fast. Unreal. And it just tapped into that imbalance. Holy shit, that's unbelievable. That's right where I wanted it to, where I would take a short. There was the big fair value gap, and I was looking at that imbalance. If this fucking, oh my god. Yeah, we closed above it so fast. I was looking at the 15 and 30 second, and it just got destroyed. Judas swing. This would be a Judas swing short. Yeah, we're in some real chop. If that 15 closes above, I might just take that with all that wick down below. Oh, geez. Wow. Could take this short. Bearish SMT. I don't think I'm gonna take it. Huge retracement. Also, remember, this is chop. This is like, could be some bullshit now before FOMC. Remember, Jerome Powell speaks at 2:30. Might just be some volatility, uncertain market movement up until 2 p.m., 2:30 when J Powell starts talking. Then we can trade after that. Excuse me. Markets are a little more bullish overall. Nice little bullshit so far. Everyone's enjoying the bullshit so far. Everybody having a good time? I'm having a good time. Sometimes the market does this. The market will do this, especially when there's people talking later, like Jerome Powell. Whoa. Oh yeah, shit's bound to happen. Inversion. We go nowhere. Let's just take out. All right, we're still going. It's pumping. We're going. ES actually showed a very promising long here at delivery. That was a nice long on ES. Let's see if it can break through the data high on ES though. Probably. Now we're pumping. Whoa. All right, so that's the break even on my long from last night. That took a long time to hit. 495. Yeah, we'll see if we keep going. I think it wants more buy side. I really do. I know we took that and all of this. There could be the switch for a short. I think it wants up there. We're back up in that 4-hour imbalance, the 4-hour bearish fair value gap.
Stop filled.
Fuck you. There's the break even. Yeah, today sucks. Yeah, we may have to wait for FOMC. This is some shit. I'm not taking a trade till we break all of this buy or sell side. We take this shit out. We deliver from there again. You just gotta wait. You gotta be patient, and it may take us into the late morning. So maybe a no more trade, no trade day. 2 break evens. Written up. Fuck off. There's an open corner. Yeah, it just swept a buy side. So the shorts, bearish SMT on the 15. You could. You could. I think it's just chop, guys. I don't think there's going to be any major distribution. I think we're just accumulating. I think there'll be some market manipulation this afternoon. We'll go to one side and then we'll reverse again with Powell speaking. I think that's just how it's going to be. Today, I'm actually not even concerned with the market right now. I'm just going to set alerts. If we can sweep this, I'll start paying attention. Really, I want to see this sweep. And then I want to see this get swept. right, see ya. Bye. All right, big phone call. Sorry, what's up, Mo? Good morning, bro. Are you at work? If you're at work,
Yeah, I'm at the office.
all right. We're laying low. We're in accumulation mode.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. There's nothing much to be honest with you. Maybe because of the news that too.
Yeah, the news was decent, but it didn't sweep enough sell side. I'm waiting for this fair value gap up here to get tapped into or filled, and then or sell side to get something's got to break.
Yeah, that's what I might just wait till the PM because we have FOMC news.
Yep, might have to wait till like 3:30.
hmm
That's the only shitty thing.
I hate when that happens.
So Mo, so far all I have on this car cruise, and I really want you to make it. If you can't, it's fine. But we go down just a little south because last time was incredibly north, and people didn't want to do that drive. We went from like 40 cars to like 6 to 8. Is Quincy Shores Reservation. So just south, just
Yeah,
above
Quincy is good.
just above Quincy, there's this reservation state park where I think we can all line up on the water, stop for a moment, get a photo, whatever. From there, though, where would you like to go? Do you want to take like 93 and then loop back around towards Boston?
We can figure it out after that. But up to there, that's really fine. But where's the meet point of this one?
Oh, yeah, no, the meeting point will be the Best Buy South Bay Plaza parking lot.
Okay, so target South Bay.
Yep, that nice big parking lot.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good.
It's just so easy, and no cops give problems there. And just so everyone knows, and people who are going to talk and be recorded, this is being recorded, and this is going to go to YouTube. This is part of the daily live recordings now. So it shows my camera, the screen share, and if the voices come up, Discord audio is plugged in. So you will be part of the video. All right. Yeah, this is looking like some shit. All right, we're back. Sorry, on the phone a lot this morning. We're still accumulating. There's nothing going on. Please don't get mixed up in this range here. Asia and London are right here. Just terrible, terrible ranges. On the 4 hours, we zoom out. We're kind of in a sell-off after being overbought. We had that new week opening gap, and then we hit some new all-time highs, and again, and then we're now kind of just in a chop, deciding where to go. And remember, FOMC is this afternoon, 2:30. Jerome Powell speaks at 2:30. And I guarantee you we'll get some kind of push, but don't think that's the push to the side. Know that that's probably the manipulation. All right, we trade like this on the right, not like this, the trend breakout trader. If we're going to break, this area here, these highs, and then start pumping, we're probably going to reverse. I still like this area here, this hour, 15 and 5 minute bearish fair value gap. I'm also looking out for sell side getting swept, Jesus, swept. And yeah, we wait. That's it. We're getting to 10:30, so one more hour tops, and then we're gonna wait till probably till after Powell's done talking. There's no point trading pre-Powell, 1:30 to 2. And I will show the FOMC address on stream as well. So yeah, we're just sitting tight. Sorry, guys. I don't control the market. I wish I did. I'd be a lot richer. Price is breaking some buy side here on ES. keep pushing. Price is dying. Or is it seeking sell side to push further? There it is, the push. The push. Nvidia is just pumping. It's just inversing a 4-hour pretty hard. Whew. It's confirming a daily order block. It's crazy. It's just, the weekly is just pumping. Oh my god, it's going back for 180. It's going to take 180. That's crazy. How you doing?
It's the most picture picture you've ever had of the land masses of this earth and exactly where everything is when it begins moving, when it's encroached upon by water, little collapse, atmospheric debris. Look at that right there. Everything flying around gives you an idea. This is going to map almost all of the ice and land surfaces on Earth twice every 12 days. So it will just give us a picture of not necessarily that a tsunami is coming, but what is vulnerable to. We'll have a much better idea of what is at which level in the ground, which houses are exposed, which towns are exposed, and that will apply to this as well. Including, it's possible that some of these measurements will give a better sense of when a volcano is going to erupt, when an earthquake is going to occur, because they'll be able to see that tension building up in the land. This really, it's actually a huge story today. I mean, all the other stories, and a little hard to follow the timing as well. So critically important. Yeah, thanks very much, Tom, for that update. Appreciate it very much. Des Moines is looking up the situation. The EPA is already endorsed a Long Health study to put an unprecedented climate impact. We'll take a closer look at that next, please.
Oh my God. Really? No. No, no, no. It's not. It's not. This is fake. It's gonna go up into that gap. stuff to say. Oof. No one can see you, just your ears. There you are. Oh. Mr. Bruce. 8.8 magnitude earthquake in Russia. Highest ever, was it? I don't know, that doesn't seem sketchy at all. Randomly, there's an 8.8 magnitude earthquake. They did for the flooding, for the tsunami, like waves, water rising. Oh yeah, Hawaii. That's weird. That's such bullshit. It's been going down this hard since just prior to sweeping into that gap. There's no gap. There's no significant. It just dumped right there, even on the 5. Huh. Huh. Nothing there. Oh, this is ridiculous. Bruce, you good? We have a bullish SMT. Bullish SMT. We're dipping into discount too on yes. I'll just call that out, but I don't like it. Tesla's dumping.
Inside an operating room at a cancer center, a camera caught the scene inside as the earthquake hit. There are doctors who are trying to brace themselves. They are holding the patient, they are holding surgical equipment as this is all taking place as this earthquake strikes. Throughout this region, along this coastal region of Russia, we have seen a number of images of waves. We have seen the water pushing debris along the way, as well as some small buildings. So it's obvious that the 8.8 magnitude earthquake in Russia certainly having an impact there. But the impact is not just limited to Russia. Japan also experiencing the aftermath of all of this. At one point, when there were tsunami warnings, we saw people in Japan going to the top of a fire station for safety. We saw a parent, presumably, carrying a young child as these waves were crashing along the coast of Japan, an area that knows very well the dangers of hurricanes and tsunamis. Well, I'm sure you remember back in 2011 when the tsunami hit there, doing damage to Fukushima energy nuclear plant. That was a pivotal moment. Well, we're going to keep watching the global impact of all of this, but at one point, warnings were issued in British Columbia and Canada, as well as far south in Latin America.
I do remember all of that, of course. So, Mark Stewart, thank you very, very much. Also, this morning, we had another major issue we're watching. The U.S. Department of Justice is making a case for unsealing information on Jeffrey Epstein. The Department of Justice filing a memo in the Southern District of New York late Tuesday night asking a judge to unseal additional investigative records in the case of the sex trafficker as well as his accomplice, Ghislaine Maxwell. Let's go live right now to see the senior crime and justice reporter, Caitlin Gomez, soon will be in the situation. Caitlin, what can you walk me through the efforts to unseal these documents?
Well, the Justice Department had asked this federal judge in New York it's time to unseal these things around the Jeff Epstein case, specifically all of what took place before the grand jury, something that's usually very confidential and secretive. You never really see those records until there's a trial, but they're asking, they're arguing to the judge, now's the time, let's do this. Their argument to the judge in this motion last night said that the
Oh, Bruce, you're just farting. You're just ripping ass. You're farting. You're farting. We'll go outside and you probably have to go poop again. Oh my God. Jesus.
In the grand jury, speaking to the judge last night, the Justice Department said the grand jury met for 2 months in 2019, 2 months in 2020, 1 month in 2021, and there were only 2 witnesses, an FBI agent and a New York police detective. Altogether, that might not be much more than the case as it's already known. However, Ghislaine Maxwell in prison never did fully offer her delineation of what happened. She sat down with the Justice Department in a bit of an agreement recently, and now she is offering to testify to Congress policy.
Well, it didn't sweep what I wanted it to. This is so fucking dumb. So this is just still in that choppy, but it's expanded to a different form pattern.
Another effort, this is on the congressional side.
Stupid.
This is the Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer.
So I'll let the dog out real quick. It's already 10 after 11. If anything, and I don't want to take it, it's going to deliver a little lower in premium for NQ, and then we'll go long, or it's going to continue dumping. We missed it because it didn't get the buy side sweep plus the delivery into that bearish gap. It was stacked up with ES and NQ, and on NQ it was the hour, 15, and 5 minutes, and we didn't get into it. I checked. So I think we're going to take out this IRL, right? Internal resting liquidity. Sell side here on NQ, right here. And then bounce off and go take that high. Either way, this will take a few minutes. So I'm going to go. And then it will lead into FOMC or just lunch. So it's just all going to get out of whack. So I think we're just in a holding pattern until again after Jerome Powell's done talking, until after 2:30, 3 o'clock. So feel free to get lunch, go out, go for a walk, go to the gym. It's not the time. Now's not the time. Unfortunately, I'm going to go let Bruce out. I'll be back. we're back.